Girls can make themselves cry just to look pretty. So, dear boys, you cannot hurt us. Hello, my happy fam. Welcome back to my channel. This is me, Rajrupa, Queen of Happiness. If you're new to my channel, then welcome to this happy family. Recently, I've been seeing a lot of beautiful brides online. And if you are a would-be bride or if you just want to learn the Indian bridal makeup techniques, then stay tuned and learn all the steps that I used personally to do my own makeup. Yes, it was a very fulfilling experience. मुझे बहुत ही अच्छा लगा, बहुत टेंशन भी हो रहा था, बट सक्सेसफुली मैंने ये टास्क कंप्लीट किया और मैं बहुत ही satisfied थी. So I just wanted to share with you all the techniques. So without further ado, let's get started. Okay guys, the first step towards any sort of makeup, especially अगर आप चाहते हो कि आपका makeup last करे, it is priming. उसके पहले आप थोड़ा skin care कर लेना. Make sure your face is properly toned and hydrated and of course cleansed. क्या क्या products मैंने use किया है, अगर आपको वो particularly जानना है, so you can go and follow my other video. I will just link it somewhere on top. पाइसी बोल के एक ब्रांड है. इस ब्रांड का मैंने illuminating जो primer है वो use किया था. So this is the first one that I'm gonna use. We do have, you know, a lot of open pores, etc. as you can see. So it's not one or not two, but 3 types of primers basically. This is from Benefit Professional Primer. और ये प्राइमर मैं हल्का सा इवन eyelids पर लगाती हूँ. Actually, I did buy another primer for the eyelid. It is from the company called ELF. ELF Cosmetics does make good makeup at a very affordable price. But then again, I was not very happy with their eye primer. I'll show that to you in the next step. और एक प्राइमर मैंने यूज़ किया था जो आई वुड डेफिनेटली सजेस्ट ऑल ब्राइड्स टू बाय. इनफैक्ट मैंने ये अपने प्रोडक्ट सजेशन वीडियो में भी यूज़ किया था. मैंने कहा था दैट इज़ हॉलीवुड फ्लॉलेस फिल्टर. दिस इज़ फ्रॉम Charlotte Tilbury. एक तो है कि यू कैन यूज़ इट इवन एज अ हाईलाइटर. Next step is the concealer. So if you need color correction, of course you can use it. I had used a bit of the orange color corrector from Nykaa. I'll just show that to you guys. So this is my color correcting palette from Nykaa. I will just link it all down below. You can just get it directly from those links. Orange color correcting palette. Actually ये help करता है अगर आपको थोड़ा बहुत dark circles है. तो I'll just use a bit. इधर बहुत ही थोड़ा सा लेना है guys, not too much. I know I'm looking quite like a horror movie heroine. ये मैं थोड़ा सा इधर भी यूज़ कर ले रही हूँ क्योंकि इधर भी हल्का सा एक discoloration टाइप का है. Next guys, I'm gonna go with a concealer. I had used 2 types of concealers, you know, because I really wanted a very flawless finish. और मुझे बहुत ही light makeup पसंद है तो मैंने light makeup ही किया था. I had used this concealer from Bobbi Brown. It's in the shade Honey and it's amazing. ये मेकअप यूजुअली करने में तो काफ़ी टाइम लगता है और मुझे बहुत ही टेंशन हो रहा था क्योंकि यू नो लाइक मेरा जो I'll just zoom in a bit. मेरा जो शादी का जो लग्न या लगन आप लोग जो बोलते हो, हम लोग बंगाली में लग्नो बोलते हैं. तो you know that like the muharat of the wedding, that was very early. It was at around 5 p.m. तो हल्दी सेरेमनी ये सब कंप्लीट करते वक्त काफ़ी टाइम लग गया था. तो ऑलमोस्ट यू नो लाइक 2-2:30 तो बज ही गए थे और फिर 2:30 बजे से लेके ऑलमोस्ट टिल 4:30. सो आई जस्ट हैड 2 hours यू नो टू गेट रेडी. और सिर्फ मेकअप ही नहीं ना, देयर वाज लाइक हेयर एंड लाइक ड्रेसिंग एंड द ज्वेलरी, लाइक सो मेनी थिंग्स राइट. ब्राइड का ड्रेसअप होना बहुत ही आसान काम तो है नहीं. सो या देयर वाज लॉट ऑफ थिंग्स. तो ये सब मुझे करना था विद इन 5 p.m. लाइक बिफोर 5 p.m. सो दैट वाज लाइक बहुत ही जल्दी था. बट आई वाज लाइक वेरी टेंस. बट इसके साथ आई हैड यूज्ड वन मोर कंसीलर एंड दैट इज my favorite. It is LA Girl Pro Conceal. I use it in the shade beige most probably, और ये बहुत ही अच्छा है, बहुत लाइट वेट है. So I just used 2 concealers so that you know, एक थोड़ा सा कंसील करने के लिए और एक थोड़ा सा हाईलाइट करने के लिए. But since I'm using 2 concealers, I'm not putting too much guys, नहीं तो बहुत ही ज़्यादा केकी लगने लगेगा. I just had only one person to help me, and that was Shongmin Chali. But yeah, it was one woman army kind of, or 2 woman army rather, मैं और Shongmin Chali. But both of us managed very well. Even my cousin, like भैया थे, गुड्डू दादा, he told me that he will help me, but ठीक है, मतलब वो दूसरे काम भी कर रहे थे, तो कितना bother करे लोगों. So the next step is foundation, and foundation के बारे में as I told you guys मुझे कुछ कहना है. That is MAC is good of course as a brand क्योंकि मुझे बहुत ही पसंद है. K-Beauty foundation is very good, so you can definitely use it in your own shade, and it has, it's got a medium coverage, not very high coverage. But if you go for MAC instead of that, I think you can go for K-Beauty as well. या फिर आप दोनों mix करके भी use कर सकते हो if you know the proper shades to mix. क्योंकि MAC, I think it just somehow didn't give me the kind of finish that I wanted for my wedding. मैं आपको एक quick makeup tip देती हूँ. Instead of the sponge, yes, you can use makeup brush. Like if you ask me, I would say कि बहुत easily blend करता है. Yes, foundation brushes are better when you use a stick foundation, but मैं तो liquid foundation के साथ भी कभी use कर लेती हूँ. As you can see, it gives a very quick. Let me show you. It just gives you a very quick finish. Of course, when you do the makeup, don't forget your neck, and don't forget your ears. You don't want to look like a mask. Smoky. Next, I'm going to use the powder. I had used MAC NC30. आँखों के नीचे आप थोड़ा सा extra लगा के रखिए ताकि when you do your eyeshadow, if you have any fallout, you can just simply brush it off and still have a brightened under eye. Use K-Beauty contouring stick. So इसके साथ साथ I had also used another contour. Yes, I'd used 2 products for everything guys. I don't know why, but I just wanted to be on the safe side. But आप लोग कोई एक भी use कर सकते हो. So for contouring, I had used this Hoola bronzer. और इसके साथ साथ K-Beauty contouring stick भी यूज़ किया था. So वो बस क्रीम जो प्रोसीडियर है ना इसके पहले, उसमें आपको यूज़ करना है. पाउडर अप्लाई करने के बाद you cannot use this. So for this I'm just using the powder contour. So only my eyes and lips are left. उसके पहले मैं फिर lips कर ही लेती हूँ क्योंकि eyes में थोड़ा सा time लगेगा. As you can see, line करने के बाद ना with the liner I've just filled up the lips so that मैं lipstick लगाने के बाद भी it should look even. मेरा जो साड़ी था for the wedding, it was like, as you can see in the pictures here, it was a bit like pinkish, मतलब थोड़ा सा cream and pink का एक combination. And the border was red, so I had gone with this lip color. This is the Meher from MAC. This just went perfectly with my sari. का smell लेने के बाद आपको लगता है कि you wanna eat it. मुझे तो लगता है. But of course मैं lipstick नहीं खाती. Step is left, that's the eyes. So let's start. When I did my wedding makeup, I didn't have an expensive palette. I did it just from SFR Hated with Love. Right now I do have Huda Beauty, but no cheating guys. मैं exactly वही दिखाऊंगी जो मैंने अपने wedding पर किया था. इसलिए I'm not using my Huda Beauty palette. और apply a very neutral shade, like ये वाला जो है brown. ये एकदम neutral एक brown है as you can see. So this one, and just a bit of some other very light wala brown. Yeah, this one will do. ये वाला जो है, right? Use to outline my eyes with a fluffy brush, of course. मुझे ना थोड़ा सा पिंकिश वाला लुक चाहिए था अपने वेडिंग के लिए, बिकॉज एक होता है ना एकदम like light pink, very fairy kind of a look, very dreamy, very fairy. I just wanted that kind of a look. And with the same brown colors और थोड़ा सा एक compact brush लेके मैं अपना lower eyelid line कर लूँगी. Same brown color, guys. ये थोड़ा सा ना dark brown है, not the same brown color of course. ये थोड़ा सा darker brown है. ये darker brown लेके मैं अपना ये जो eye का shape है थोड़ा सा उसके ऊपर मैं जाऊँगी, so that my eyes are little shaped, you know, like नहीं तो बहुत ही फीका लगेगा. और especially on a wedding day, you know, there are so many lights, तो फीका नहीं लगना चाहिए. Okay, so this is the shape of the eyes that I've made. Now I'm gonna look for some pinkish shade, and I can see that there is this beautiful shimmery pink shade, right? तो ये मैं use करूँगी to fill up the rest of my eyes. ऐसे type का. Next, I'm just gonna highlight my inner corners with this golden shade which is here. और मैंने और एक चीज़ किया था, थोड़ा सा ना थोड़ा डार्क वाला पिंक लेके मैंने अपना जो आई का कॉर्नर है, that one I just highlighted with a bit of a pinkish shade for a gradient look. So I'm going to use this pink for that. And make sure you just blend it all very nicely. So that's it. Do get yourself some good lashes. I had the Huda Beauty Samantha lashes, and they are very nice. Like, they are not very heavy, but at the same time they are quite glam. Use again the Pisces mascara, the 3D mascara from Pisces, and it is very nice actually. The kind of face we make while we apply mascara. सच में हम लोग ऐसा क्यों करते हैं? इसका scientific reason क्या है? When we comb our hair, when we apply mascara, अजीब सा चेहरा बनाते हैं हम लोग, है ना? So guys, that is my wedding makeup look. As you can see, बहुत ही simple सा था. And there's one last step, that is I just use this primer cum fixer from MAC. ये बहुत ही एक अच्छा glue add करता है. So that was my wedding makeup, guys. Very simple, very light, but yet so glam, as you can see. इसके साथ अगर आप lashes add कर लो, you're gonna look beautiful. You're just gonna look beautiful just the way you are. You can see my pictures and the videos, all you can see. Alright guys, so सुबह से रात हो चुकी है. वही सेम मेकअप लुक लेके मैं एक कॉन्फ्रेंस भी मैंने अटेंड कर लिया. And I also went to see my clients. I am a tarot card reader by profession as well. Our makeup is absolutely intact. So as you can see, कुछ भी problem नहीं हुआ है makeup में. There has been no caking, nothing. So the makeup look that I taught you, it's definitely gonna last long. तो जो steps मैंने follow किया, make sure कि आप वो steps follow करते रहो. You can just wear it for a glam party look. So that was it for today's video. If you like my video, don't forget to like, share and subscribe to my channel and hit the bell icon so that you're notified every time I upload a new video. And if you want to follow me on Instagram, because I keep posting a lot of stuff on fashion and lifestyle, food, a lot of interesting things on my Instagram. So you can go and follow me. I'm there as Queen of Happiness _ Rajrupa. And on Facebook, I'm there in the same name, Queen of Happiness Rajrupa. So yes, until then, just have a very glamorous time. Stay happy and create value. Long live our happiness. Bye.